Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a pipeline card field in Copper CRM. All right. So first up, go ahead and open up one of your pipelines. It could be a project pipeline or sales pipeline or some other pipelines. Okay. So it doesn't matter. Now what we'll do is just go ahead over to the top right and click on the settings icon or the gear icon. Okay. If you can't see it, I'm just going to zoom in right here. Okay. So what we'll do is just click on it. Now go ahead and scroll down, and under customizations, you can go ahead and click on board view card fields. Okay. You could also set pipeline card flags, list view columns, or create another pipeline field. Okay. So just for this example, we're going to go ahead and click on board view card fields. And then here, as you can see, we only have 4 fields available for each card. Okay. So what we'll do, field 1, we have company, this one. So field 2, you can go ahead and click on the drop down and you have a ton of options. For example, the date this card was created, I'm going to click on it. There you go. It was created October 9th of 2025. Okay. So field 3, I'm just going to go ahead and maybe the priority. Okay. There you go. Now field number 4, maybe you could go ahead and add in tags when probability or the stage was updated. So let's say I'm just going to go ahead and add in inactive days. Okay. There you go. Now once you're happy with that, you can now go ahead and click on back, added some more under customizations like card flagging, again, list view columns, and to create another pipeline field. So for example, let's just go ahead and add in a pipeline field. Okay. It could be in the form of checkbox or connect field, currency, date, you name it. It could be URL as well. Let's say I'm going to go ahead and add in URL. And the label would be a sample. And if you have a workflow automation key, you can go ahead and add that in here. You can add this one to all pipelines or for this specific pipeline only. Okay. So again, hit on save, wait for it, click on the gear icon under customizations. You should be able to see it. Okay. Scroll all the way down and we have the sample. There you go. When we click on it, and scroll all the way down, you'll be able to add in a description, maybe a link, okay, where people can just easily click on. You can also add a new field in here if you want to. There you go. All right. But that's basically it. That's how you customize pipeline card fields here in Copper CRM. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.